This is the LG Nitro Take Apart Repair Guide. The first step will be to remove the back battery cover. From there we'll be able to remove the battery, SIM card, and memory card. On the back housing there will be 9 small Phillips screws that will need to be removed as shown in the video. The bottom 3 screws are removed, you'll be able to remove the speaker assembly. Now, using a safe open pry tool, we can begin releasing the back housing. It's best to start at the very bottom of the housing and work your way up, releasing all the clips holding the housing in place. Take note that both the volume button and power button will likely fall out. Be sure to put these to the side until reassembly. With the motherboard exposed, we will now have 6 pop connectors that will need to be released. Once all these connections are released, you will now be able to gently remove the motherboard from the rest of the device. Okay, just above the touchscreen flex cable, there will be a small rubber grommet that will need to be removed from the device. We can also release the touchscreen flex cable, which is adhered to the back housing. There will be 4 more small Phillips screws that will need to be removed, which are holding the front housing in place. We can now use a heat gun or hairdryer to begin warming the outside edges of the touchscreen assembly. This will soften the adhesive, allowing you to pry open the touchscreen from the front frame. With the adhesive warmed, we can now use the safe open pry tool to begin removing the touchscreen from the front frame. Work your way around all 4 edges, being sure to reheat the adhesive if necessary. Once all the adhesive is released, you will need to separate the front frame from the LCD. From there, you'll be able to release the flex cable by sliding it through the slot in the housing. You can now replace the touchscreen digitizer.